Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 28th July 2020. Okay, and in the last class students, I have told to you I will start the next chapter from the next class. So today I want to start that chapter. That chapter number is chapter 6. Okay, it is the fifth and last chapter of your half yearly syllabus. Okay, so the name of the chapter is social responsibilities of business and business ethics. Okay, this is your page number 1 of today's class. Okay students, so students, listen firstly. Students, in the last class I have started this chapter, okay, only orally basis. So today I want to tell about the few points about the social responsibilities. Okay, so listen students, you know about that in the society, when any type of the businessman perform the activities, so that type of the activities is only relates from the money. It is not based on the, if that type of the activity is only based on the money, if the businessman has not provided the facilities, has not provided any fulfill the responsibilities toward the societies, so it is not possible of that type of the businessman to stand in the market for a long time. So on the basis of that type of the thing, social responsibility of any type of the businessman is also necessary in the society. Okay, so let's start from social responsibilities. So what is social responsibility? So look here, social responsibilities refer to the obligation of business firms to contribute resources for solving social problems and work in a socially desirable manner comma socially desirable manner, you can use full stop, not comma. Social responsibility of business is social responsibility of business is broader than legal responsibility as business can fulfill its legal responsibilities by compliance with law, whereas to fulfill social responsibility, voluntary efforts are required. So listen firstly, students. In the sense of the social responsibilities, for example, I want to take one example as like the situation of your country, the situation of your world also. This is the situation where the populations of the countries are suffering from COVID-19. So at that time they are suffering that type of thing. So on the basis of that type of thing, they will also, if any type of the businessmen perform their activities on the purpose of the benefits of the societies, they will spend some amounts, they will donate some amounts for the production of vaccination. So that is also based on the social responsibilities. If we want to take any example right from the Assam, this in the Assam there is the situation of flood. So if any type of the businessman has also contribute about some amount as like a donation to the Assam peoples, to the citizens of Assam peoples, to provide the fooding facilities, basic needs facilities. So at that time, that type of the situation is based on the social responsibilities. It means that type of the businessman has fulfilled their responsibilities about their society. Okay, so in that type of the sense, that type of the businessman will fulfill the responsibilities toward the societies as per the law. It is also beneficial for that type of the businessman. Okay, so according to Keith Davis, this is the definition. Okay, so listen, definition: social responsibility refers to the businessman's decisions and actions taken for reasons at least partially beyond the firm's direct economic or technical interest. Students, remember definition you will learn as like a same. Okay, it means in the same words you will learn the definition. Okay, now after that you will see about the corporate social responsibility. I think now the social responsibilities has been clear now, each and every student. Okay, so now listen about the corporate social responsibility. Okay, so listen carefully. In the short form, it is called CSR. Is a concept that suggests that it is the responsibility of the corporations operating within corporations operating within the society to contribute towards economic, social and environmental development development that creates positive impact on society at large. On society at large. Okay. So student, now next page. I want to give one definition also here. Okay. So look in the next page. This is your page number 2 of today's class. So one definition has been also given. According to the European Commission. According to the European Commission, definition has been given here. Corporate social responsibility is the responsibility of enterprises for their impacts on society. It means that is beneficial for society also. Okay. So students, in the corporate responsibility, only some points are here. Now after that, I want to start the arguments of social responsibilities. It means that type of the argument is based on that type of the responsibilities, which is suitable or not. Okay. So next topic is arguments for social responsibility. Okay. The arguments advanced in favor of business, assuming social responsibility are as follows. First heading, justification for existence and growth. Justification for existence and growth. In this you will write here also, as business is the creation of society, it is expected to satisfy human needs by providing goods and services. You know about that, students, that type of the services you have received, as like if you want any type of the food. Okay, for example, you want to take any type of the food, as like I want to take the basic needs as like grain, pulses. So when that type of the thing is based on the basic necessities of the human being, so it is possible with the help of the business. Without business, that type of the goods, that type of the fooding material, that type of the basic needs or any other things cannot be providing by the society to the required person. Okay, so the business will provide the food and that type of the basic facilities to the human. Okay, so that is also based on the social responsibility. So in it also based on 2 points here. Although profit is an important an important objective of any business activity, objective of any business activity, comma, but it should be looked upon, but it should be looked upon as an outcome of service to the people, outcome of service to the people. It means when the businessman earn the profit, आपने ये देखा होगा, you know about that the situation, the businessman wants to earn the profit, but on the basis of that type of the point of view, on the basis of to earn money or to earn profit, the businessman has also providing the services to the society. For example, I want to take one example here. Okay, you are living in Allahabad, okay, but you want to purchase any type of the material that is related on the as like chicken wala kurta. You know about that chicken ka kurta, and that type of the chicken kurta has been famous from the basic place of लखनऊ. लखनऊ में चिकन का जो कुर्ता है वो आपका बेसिक प्लेस है. लखनऊ का चिकन का कुर्ता आपको अगर लेना है सो वो बेसिक प्लेस होने के कारण आपको वहां क्या मिलेगा लखनऊ में. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अगर आप उसे इलाहाबाद में लेना चाह रहे हैं तो आप लखनऊ जाएं. यू कैन ऑल्सो परचेज दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग इन योर सिटी ऑल्सो. आप इलाहाबाद के हैं, जयपुर के हैं, कहीं के भी हैं, आप किसी भी सिटी के हो, लेकिन आप उस तरह के प्रोडक्ट का यूज आप अपनी सिटी में परचेज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज पॉसिबल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द बिजनेस ऑल्सो. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ द थिंग इज प्रोवाइडिंग बाय द हेल्प ऑफ द बिजनेस. ये सारी चीजों की फैसिलिटी कौन प्रोवाइड करा रहा है? बिजनेस ही तो प्रोवाइड करा रहा है. सो इट विल बी ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द आउटकम, बट देयर आउटकम इज ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन द सर्विसेज टू द सोसाइटी. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट, a business with a business with a good public image enjoys the support and it can prosper and grow only when it continuously assumes social responsibility. You know about that. बिजनेसमैन क्या कंटिन्यू वे में अपना वर्क करते हैं. If your father, your family member in any type of the family is a businessman, so at that time that type of the work has been performed in a long duration. वो लंबे समय तक लगातार चलता रहता है. So at that time this is the reason. अगर आपको ग्रोथ करनी है so it is necessary to enjoy a good image in the public. So at that time that type of the business will perform their services in a continued manner. Okay. Now the second main heading is long term interest of the firm. Long-term interest of the firm. Okay. So listen, you know about that the business has performed their activity in a continuous manner. So what is the main motive? So the main motive of that type of the business is related from the interest of the workers, consumers, shareholders who has invested their money in the company as like a capital, government officials, etc. So here you will write it. It is in the long term. It is in the long term self-interest. Long-term self-interest of the business to fulfill its social responsibility towards various groups of society, groups of society, comma, like workers, now this is your page number 3 of today's class. Okay, workers, consumers, comma, shareholders, comma, government officials, etc. Okay, a better social set improves its public image and prospects of growth in the long run, full stop. The society may also reject an enterprise if it does not care for the social welfare. Students, here at the last point it has been explained here with the example. सोसाइटी क्या कई ऐसी कंपनियों का कई ऐसी एंटरप्राइजेस को रिजेक्ट कर सकती है जो सोशल वेलफेयर का वर्क नहीं कर पा रही, उसका ख्याल नहीं रख रही. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू नो अबाउट द सिचुएशन ऑफ एनी टाइप ऑफ द टेलीकॉम कंपनी. Okay, and as like you know about the Docomo. Okay, so you know about Tata Docomo has come in the market. Different types of the companies has been also come in the market in the communication sector. So they have not provided the services in the society in a proper way. So now what you know about the situation of such type of the company, now these types of the company is not in the market. Okay, so this is the loss of that type of the company. If they will not take care about their consumers, they will not take care about the society, so they cannot stay in the market. Okay, so now today's class mein beta itna hi. In the next class I will start the third point of arguments for social responsibilities. Okay beta, okay.